We have a shipment to procure, yes?
Just stay out of my way, okay? The gentleman Jean is on the job.
Give me a moment.
Lesser unquiet spirits, lightly tethered to our plane. Thralls are only dangerous in numbers.
The gentleman Jean strikes again. It's just too easy. Hello? What's that over there? About time things got interesting. Got it. Quicker the better.
You're on my list now, partner.
Gentleman Jean of Cairo. But it always worked out before. What's happening?
You okay? Talk to me!
Take this!
enough!
If you want my attention, darling, just ask. Pain comes free. Everything else, you'll pay through the nose for.
Still in one piece. Barely.
Stitches are stitches. Just don't squirt.
I hope you're not expecting a tip or anything.
Stop the bleeding! Good to go.
I found something useful, and I didn't even steal it.
A souvenir. There. Now where was I? Hang back.
I could steal the eyeliner off your eyes. People just don't pay attention.
This always works. Except when it don't. See if we can cause a little trouble.
What's that?
Let's move. I'll take this.
Nothing to report.
Good night.
Come on, y'all.
Not bad. I'll take it. Not a bad hand. Stay put.
Did I hear something?
Don't wander.
And we're home free.
Not a bad heart, in my professional opinion.
Uncle Sam taught me 6 ways to kill a guy with my bare hands.
This is not the family I envisioned for myself, but
Another potential agent, eh?
Uh-oh, look everyone, the boss is smiling. Should I be scared?
Far from it. My suspicions were correct. The keystone confirms it. I know how to destroy the banished court. With the knowledge I've gained from the keystone, I'm assembling an atropic device. Think of it as the blade that will sever Nicastro, Strum, and Marteau from the bright storm. When the device is complete, you will carry it into the tower, into the storm, where it will render the Scions vulnerable and powerless forever.
It can't be that easy, or someone would have tried it already.
Each house has a catalyst from which it derives its magic. The atropic device needs samples of all 3. Strom's is a crystal called red sulfur. The burning mummies you fought were examples of his handiwork. Nicastro calls hers abyssal nectar. This strange elixir grants her visions of the devouring king, a dead god that dreams beneath the waves. Marteau's is known as Persephonite, a miracle metal with otherworldly properties. The secret to all of Marteau's inventions.
That stuff won't be easy to find, much less steal.
No, it won't. No one has ever found where the houses keep their catalysts, much less gotten their hands on a pure, undiluted sample. That's why I need you. Thieves and con artists, scoundrels and killers willing to pick locks and cut throats, to dirty their hands. People who don't play fair because they know fair is just another word for dead. You'll scour the globe to find my enemy's greatest treasures, steal a sample of each, and bring them back to me.
It will not be easy. My mistress spent years searching for the abyssal nectar of House Nicastro. All she found were dregs.
Agents, we have no time to waste. Let the search begin.
Mademoiselle, I noticed something about these Lamplighters Locke speaks of.
yes,
I noticed that they are all dead.
yes.
And I am thinking that perhaps, if we stick with this lock, that perhaps the 2 of us will be dead soon as well.
The thought did occur to me.
Perhaps we should think about an exit strategy.
Just the 2 of us.
We started in this together, so it seems only fitting that we should leave it together, if it comes to that.
Indeed. So a pact?
Exactly that. If things begin to turn bleak, one of us gives the other a sign.
And we make for a rendezvous on the other side of the island, where we've hidden money and supplies.
You are a woman after my own heart, mademoiselle.
Net.
Couldn't keep away, could you?